Choosing the best blender can be confusing, with so many options out there. Today, we're cutting through the noise for you. Which blender is actually worth your money in 2026? We tested performance, durability, and value to find out. Stick around, because our top 5 ranking will save you time, money, and a whole lot of kitchen regret. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the NutriBullet Personal Blender NBR-0601, a compact favorite for solo smoothie. Its compact cup design is lightweight, durable, and built for quick personal use in any kitchen or office space. It includes a powerful personal motor base, a to-go lid, and extraction blades designed specifically for nutrient-rich blending. Watch how effortlessly it crushes frozen fruit and leafy greens into a smooth, creamy, ready-to-drink personal smoothie. Perfect for busy mornings, this blender lets you blend and go without dishes piling up in your sink. You get portability, easy cleanup, and single-serve convenience, making healthy blending part of your daily routine effortlessly. Its biggest strengths are affordability, compact storage, and blades tough enough for ice and frozen fruit daily. Honestly, its small motor isn't built for tougher jobs like nut butters or large family-sized batches. This blender is ideal for students, solo professionals, or anyone wanting quick, no-fuss personal smoothies daily. For the price, the NutriBullet Personal Blender NBR-0601 delivers solid everyday value in a compact. At number 4, we have the Oster Classic Series Blender and 24-ounce Smoothie Cup, brushed metal, a budget-friendly all-rounder. Its brushed metal finish and sturdy base feel surprisingly premium for such an affordable, compact blending appliance. It features a durable glass jar, a travel smoothie cup attachment, and simple one-touch pulse blending controls. See how it powers through ice cubes and frozen mango chunks. Producing a thick, great for family kitchens, it handles everyday smoothies, sauces, and soups without hesitation or unnecessary noise. You get a reliable multi-purpose blender, an included travel cup, and simple parts that clean up quickly. Its biggest wins are affordability, a solid glass jar, and a convenient smoothie cup for on-the-go mornings. That said, its motor can feel underpowered when tackling denser ingredients like nuts or thick frozen fruit. This blender suits budget-conscious families who want dependable everyday performance without paying premium blender prices. The Oster Classic Series Blender 24-ounce Smoothie Cup, brushed metal, is a smart, affordable pick for everyday households. Landing at number 3 is the Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto-iQ BN701, packed with smart blending programs.
Its sturdy black and silver design feels professional grade, with a large pitcher built for heavy-duty kitchen tasks.
It includes Auto-iQ preset programs, a 72-ounce pitcher, and powerful total crushing blade technology for tough ingredients. Watch it blast through ice, frozen fruit, and even tough vegetables with remarkable speed and consistency. Ideal for meal prepping, this blender handles smoothies, soups, and frozen drinks for the entire family. You get large batch capacity, smart automated programs, and blades tough enough for almost any ingredient. Its strengths are raw power, generous capacity, and genuinely useful preset programs for hands-free blending. On the downside, its larger footprint can take up significant counter space in smaller kitchens. This blender is perfect for larger families or meal prep enthusiasts who need serious blending. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto-iQ BN701 delivers serious performance and real everyday versatility.
Coming in at number 2 is the Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender, 64-ounce container, black, a true kitchen workhorse.
Its industrial-strength design and large container reflect serious commercial-grade engineering, built to last for years. It offers variable speed control, a powerful motor, and a self-cleaning cycle that saves valuable time. Watch it turn whole fruits, nuts, and ice into silky smooth textures in a matter of seconds. Perfect for serious home cooks, it handles soups and smoothies with restaurant-quality results. You get unmatched versatility, professional performance, and a machine designed to handle daily heavy use. Its biggest advantages are raw motor power, long-term durability, and genuinely professional blending results at home. Its main drawback is the higher price point, which may not fit every household's kitchen budget. This blender is ideal for serious home cooks and health enthusiasts who want long-term professional-grade performance. The Vitamix 5200 professional-grade blender, 64-ounce container, black, is a long-term investment that truly pays off. Taking the #1 spot is the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, BL770, our top pick for all-around versatility. Its all-in-one design combines a full-size blender, food processor bowl, and personal cups in one sturdy system. It includes a powerful 1500-watt motor, a food processor bowl, dough blade, and personal blending cups. Watch it effortlessly crush ice, blend smoothies, and process dough, all with the same powerful motor. From morning smoothies to weekend baking projects, this system adapts to whatever your kitchen day demands. You get multiple appliances in one purchase, saving counter space, storage room, and significant kitchen budget. Its greatest strengths are versatility, strong motor power, and genuine value across multiple kitchen appliance categories. Its only drawback is the larger overall footprint, since it includes several bulkier attachments to store. This system is perfect for households wanting one versatile appliance that replaces several separate kitchen machines.
The Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 earns our top spot for unmatched versatility and outstanding everyday value.
So there you have it, our top 5 blenders, ranked by real performance, value, and everyday usability for you. Whether you want raw power, everyday value, or personal convenience, there's a perfect match waiting right here for you.
Thanks for watching, and if this helped you choose the right blender, don't forget to like and subscribe.